Assalamu alaikum and very good morning dear students. From today we are going to start the syllabus for PT2 for EVS subject. And we are going to start from chapter number 4, that is Mangoes Round the Year. Please open your EVS textbook, page number 35. In this page we can see one picture. What we can see in this picture, can you say me? Yes, there are three friends who are taking lunch. These three friends are talking to each other while taking lunch. And you also might have done like this, that whenever you sit for lunch with your friends, then you might be asking your friends that what have you bought for the lunch, what you have brought, and like this. So the three friends who are sitting here are Neetu, Aman and Preeti. Now first friend, that is Neetu. She says that wow, Aman's lunch box has sweet puris. Then what Aman says? He says that hey, today Neetu has brought potato sabzi. And then Preeti says that I have got bhindi. So these were the three different food items that the three friends have bought for lunch. Now in the second picture, you can see that Aman is saying something. He says that, oh Neetu, I think your potato sabzi is spoiled. Then Preeti says that, don't eat that, you may fall sick. Here you can take some bhindi. See, now what happens? Aman feels that the potato sabzi that Neetu has bought for the lunch has been spoiled. And so Preeti advise Neetu that please don't eat this potato sabzi because as it is spoiled, you may fall sick if you consume such spoiled food. Then she is so caring for her friend that she offers her own lunch to her friend. Understood what they are talking among each other? Now there are few questions which are given below. First is, how did Aman know that potato sabzi had got spoiled? See, that is a question, right? If the food has been spoiled, then how we will come to know that now it is not fit for consumption? So there are few things, and first thing is we may smell some bad odor from the food. Means some kind of bad smell will come from the food item. So from that we can come to know that now food has been spoiled. If not, then sometimes there may be some color change. Like for example, if bread or chapati has been spoiled, then there will be some black color spots, and these spots will be of fungus. So this type of color change indicates that food has been spoiled. Okay. Now next question. Have you ever seen some food items that got spoiled? So now they are asking you that have you seen any food item that have gone spoiled? If yes, then which were those food items? And how did you come to know that the food has spoiled? If not, then you may ask your mom that what type of food items you get spoiled in the kitchen. And she will also answer you the same thing, that whenever food will be spoiled, then some bad smell will come and some change in color will be there. Okay. Now third question, that is Preeti told Neetu not to eat potato sabzi. What would have happened if she had eaten it? Now see, why Preeti is asking Neetu not to eat that sabzi? She already told that it is it is spoiled, and if you will consume this spoiled food, then you may fall sick. Your stomach will be upset, or you may feel vomiting, or it will affect your health in any of the ways. Okay. So in this page we have studied three things. First is how food gets spoiled, means if food is spoiled, then how we will come to know that the food is spoiled. Then second is how we will come to know that a particular sabzi or any of the thing spoiled. And if it is spoiled, then if we will consume it, then what will be the effect of it on our health. So these were the things that we understood from this first page of the chapter. Got it? If the food is spoiled, then we will get some bad smell and change in color. We will be able to observe. And second thing, if we will consume this spoiled food, then we may fall sick. Okay? Now turn the page, that is page number 36. See what is written. Write. Look in your kitchen and write down the names of food items that first get spoiled in 2-3 days, can be kept for a week, and would not spoil till 1 month. Okay? So now you have to tell me that what are the food items that we can store for 2-3 days. Do you know? Okay, I will say that the first is milk. We can keep milk in our home for 2-3 days. Then it is cooked vegetables, right? Any kind of sabzi or anything which is cooked, we can keep it for 2-3 days. And rice, khichdi, etc. These things also we can keep for 2-3 days. But the condition is we should not keep it in the room. We should keep it in refrigerator. Otherwise, at room temperature, again there are chances that the food will get spoiled. Now next is which things can be kept for a week. So first one is fruits, then vegetables and sweets. Okay? See, fruits, if you will keep in your refrigerator, then we can store them for a week. Vegetables also same. And last is sweets. Sweets like if it is gulab jamun or any of the sweet, carrot sweet or anything. So if we will keep it in refrigerator, then we can store it for almost a week and it will not get spoiled. But if that food item contains milk, then if you will store it at room temperature, then there are chances that it may get spoiled. And third one is would not spoil till 1 month. So what can be those things which do not spoil till 1 month? So first one is pickles. You know, pickles can be stored for almost a year. For many months we can store. For example, if we prepare mango pickle in summer season, then we can consume it till the next summer season comes. Okay? So this is good thing. Yes, and the third thing is if we want to store the pickle for 1 year, then we can store it. What is the reason? Because we add lot of oil in pickle and oil acts as preservative for the pickle. Next is potato chips, and then third one is any kind of what we can say murabba or any snacks. Okay, these things also we can store for 1 month, right? Now below this there are 3 questions. First one is look at your friends list and discuss in the class. So right now I have told you the things which spoils in different time interval. So it will be same for all of you. So no need to discuss this. Second question is will your list be the same in all the seasons or would it change? So the answer is no, our list will not change. The food items will not be stored in all the seasons for same time interval. For example, if we are able to store a particular thing in winter for 1 month, then it is not necessary that in summer or monsoon also we will be able to store it for the same period of time, because in monsoon it is rainy season and due to this rainy season most of the diseases spreads. So that is why food can spoil easily, and in summer also as it is too hot, so it can happen that food will spoil early. And the third question is When food spoils in your house, then what do you do with it? So obviously if the food is spoiled, then no one will be eating it. We will definitely throw it away. Okay? So this is what we have discussed on this page. First is which type of food items we can store for different time intervals, and second thing is for different seasons will the food items can be stored for same period of time. So answer is no, we cannot store same food item for same period of time in different seasons. Understood? Now we will start next topic, that is BG return the bread, in the next class. Okay? Allah Hafiz.